Panoorin nyo to guys oh. Nanonood lang si Efren Bata Reyes kung paano sila maglaro.
I fell for every word you said. You made me feel I needed you and forced my heart to think it's true. But I found a power.
Ayan, tingnan nyo guys oh, nagtago yung size sa likod ng G's. Diba guys, napakahirap tirahin yan sa mga naglalaro ng bilyar. Alam na alam nila yan. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys, binigay ng isang manlalaro yung tako dito sa pambato natin si Efren. Napaka-humble talaga nito na Efren Bata eh.
You held me down, but I broke free. I found the love inside.
Ayan, tingnan nyo guys kung paano titirahin ni Efren yung size. Huwag kayong kukurap guys.
'Cause I already
Boom! Napakagaling talaga ni Efren Bata. The legend, the magician, Efren Bata Reyes. Napakagaling talaga guys, napakahusay.